shine for you and everything you do. Yeah, they were all
Happy birthday, love of my life. Ma, sana maging healthy ka lagi at maging maayos ka lagi para beauty ka pa rin.
and it was called yellow. So
Happy birthday, Mama. We love you. And sana mag-enjoy ka ngayon kasi itong araw na to ay para sa'yo.
Thank you so much, Ma, for all the sacrifices na ginawa ninyo ni Papa for the family. Kung ma-imagine, paano kaya ako kung wala kayo, ganyan. Sobrang nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat ng ginagawa nyo para sa akin.
you know I love you so. I swam across, I jumped across for you.
Thank you sa lahat ng support mo sa akin. Ever since talagang hindi mo kami pinabayaan ng mga magkakapatid. So yung lalo na sa akin kasi ako pinaka-eldest tapos maaga akong nakapag-asawa.
Happy birthday, Lola! Ang wish ko sa'yo ay matupad lahat ng wish mo. So, kung kahit ano pa yan, sana matupad wish mo. Stay healthy, huwag nang makulit sa mga pinagbabawal na pagkain. And enjoy life. Mag-travel tayo, kumain pa tayo, pero yung mga tao.
Thank you po kasi naging mabuti po kayong mother-in-law sa akin. Hindi mo kami pinabayaan mag-anak, lagi tayo nakasuporta.
How they shine for you. Look how they shine for you. Look how they shine. Look at the stars. Look how they shine for you. And all the things you do.
Like a brand new pair of jeans. I feel like taking chances. I feel a lot like 17. I feel like windows roll down new city streets and cabs. I feel like anything can happen. Laughing, you take me. Like when I close my eyes and don't even care if anyone sees me dancing. Like I can fly and I don't even think of touching the ground. Like a heartbeat skip, like an open page, like a one-way trip on an aeroplane. It's the way that I feel when I'm with you. Brand new. Like a young John Cusack, like making big mistakes. I feel like for the first time in a long time, I am not afraid. I feel like a kid. Never thought it'd feel like this. Like when I close my eyes and don't even care.
Yang sa lahat ng pinsan ko ang at masayahin tao.
Pang-spoil. Lola Christy is inspirational.
Happy birthday po, Lola. Mahal na mahal po kita. I love you. Hi, Lola. Happy birthday. Gusto ko lang pa sabihin na you're so important. You play an important role in our family. And you have inspired me in so many ways. Maging healthy ka pa po, and we have more years to spend together.
Tignan mo sila, ma. Tignan mo sila. Mas masaya sila kasi nandito sila kasama mo para mag-celebrate ng iyong 70th birthday. Cheers!
Continue to be a blessing to other people. Kasi talagang ang dami mo natutulungan na tao. Kahit mga kaibigan namin, malayong family member, talagang nakikita namin na tutulungan mo sila.
Sana pagbigyan pa tayo ni Lord na magkasama-sama pa ng mas matagal at mahal na mahal ka namin. I love you.
Heartbeat skip like an open page, like a one-way trip on an aeroplane. It's the way that I feel when I'm with you.
Happy birthday, Mama, and I love you so much.
Happy birthday, ma'am. I love you.